Hello everyone, it's Florent, yes, Florent Game Dev for the YouTube channel, and today if I make this video is to present you a new type of methodology to create artificial intelligence for video games. First, I want to say sorry about my English. I know it's not perfect, I have a bad accent, etc. But I think you should be in measure to understand me, so it should be okay. This type of AI I call EBI, Emergent Behavioral Intelligence. With this new type of AI, we can have an intelligence making his own decision by his own feeling and his own perception of the world, without to be imposed by the developer. The developer can't predict what the AI will do, and there is no condition, no behavior tree, no logics. This is only intelligence. So how it works? I made for that a little plane. I hope you enjoy it. On this one we can see an agent. This agent contains data like personality, history, resources that can be intern resources like an inventory, that can be external resources like actors around the AI in the world that can be used. And we have a CNN visual perception. This is something very important because this is literally the eyes of the AI. This is something close to the human vision, giving the possibility to make mistakes, and this is something very strong and important. You will see why after. I will show you during the proof of concept on Unreal Engine 5 that I made. And we have an LLM. This LLM have natural rules because this is very important to not influence the action to perform by the prompt. And we have actions. Like I said before, there is no condition, no behavior tree, no logics, etc. But we have to develop actions. We can develop thousands of actions, and we have to give this list of actions to the LLM, and the LLM will decide with the agent data which action to perform. The LLM is the main brain of the game because it can control every AI and every type of AI in the game. That can be humans, zombies, monsters, pets, dragons, etc., etc. And it can give them the ability to act in a way that is coherent with their roles. This is something very strong. I made a technical document. If you want to read it, you can, to a best understanding. Now we go to the proof of concept. So we are on Unreal Engine 5 and we have the AI here in T-pose. We have a gun, a use key and a zombie. This is only plain with texture. This is only visual things. There is no code, logics, etc. This is only pictures. So we'll try with a simple example, and after that we'll try, I will show you more complex example, more complex example using psychology. So here I will say something simple, like you are French, and I think she has probably a very bad accent like me in English. So I will put the zombie in front of her, and wait, what happened? The CNN detects the zombie as a man. A man is standing in a room with a wall, and then the LLM decides to stay calm. This is something very interesting because here there is a mistake, a human mistake. Because like the zombie is in a long range to the AI, there is a long range between these two actors. The CNN detects the zombie as a man, like a human can detect a zombie as a man if he is in long range in the real life. So with these mistakes, the LLM doesn't detect the danger, so we decide to just stay calm. Now we will do the same example, but we will put this zombie in front of the AI, more closed. The CNN detects the zombie as a zombie standing in a room with a sky, and now the AI decides to run away. So as you can see, there is two actions, different actions performed by the AI for the same actor gift, so for the same zombie, because the visual perception, the perception of the world wasn't the same between these two actions. Now we will do another example. We will just put a gun in front of her before to present her the zombie. So we put the gun first. A gun is in front of a wall, and she decides to pick up the weapon. Now I will put the zombie again in front of her. A zombie standing in a room with a wall, and then, oh, okay, she decides to run away. Like I said before, the developer can't predict what the AI will decide to do. This is literally what happened here, because for me, she should attack the zombie. We'll do again. I hope she will do it. A zombie standing in a room. Aïe 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 aïe. She make me lie. Again please. Zombie in a room. Attack. Wait. Recall LM. Wrong format. Okay. So now she decide to attack the zombie because she know that she have a gun and she can probably attack the zombie. So she decide to attack zombie. She do 2 different actions for the same actor again with a gun in her inventory. So this is something very interesting. And like I said, every character can be unique in this way. Now we will try with psychology. I will say that you are an adult and a zombie killed your brother. Now I just want to show you, this is the picture that we sent to the CNN, just to show you how it's work. This is the picture that we sent to the CNN. So it was the zombie close to her before she decided to attack it. So now we will do an example with an adult and the zombie kill her brother, and we will put the zombie in front of her again. A zombie is standing in a room with a sky, and then the AI decide to attack the zombie. Now this is something very interesting because this is literally psychology, because this is the AI is an adult and she's very sad because the zombie killed her brother, so she decide to attack the zombie even if she know that this is something very dangerous and she can die. So this is a psychology because she have no gun in her inventory, and remember before she got a gun in her inventory and she decided to run away before to attack the zombie. Now, like she's sad, she decided to attack the zombie. So this is something crazy, but this is something more to the feeling than the logics. Now we will do the same example, but this time we'll say that she's a kid. Up, and I put again the zombie in front of her. A zombie standing in a room with a sky, and she decides to run away. So now, like she's a kid, even if she's sad because a zombie killed her brother, she's more fragile than an adult. So the LLM know that the kid can't fight a zombie, he will lose. So he decides to just listen his survival instinct and just run away to survive. So we can do a lot of things. Imagine this is just a proof of concept. This is something very basic, what I present you with the context and the history. But if we improve this methodology, we can do something very strong. So for me, this is literally the future of AI for video games, what I try to present you here. And I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, an opinion about it, don't forget to put a comment. And this is a finish for this presentation. I think I have nothing else to say. No, for me I think it's good. I want to say something else. I forget. Like I said before, the LLM can control and can control every AI, every type of AI inside the game. Like I said, monsters, zombies, humans, animals, dragons, etc. So we will try. Here I will say that the AI is a zombie. Up. You are a zombie. And I will put in front of her a friendly human. Something not dangerous. Up, let's start. So our AI is a zombie and I put a man in front of her. So what happened? A man is standing in a room with a blue wall and the AI decides to attack the man. The man is not dangerous, but like the AI is a zombie, she acts like a zombie. So she decides to attack the human. Now I will change this prompt and made her French again to show you that I didn't cheat. This is only prompt and word. that changed. And now she decided to stay calm. So as you can see, the LLM can adapt itself to every situation, and we can have unique characters, unique AI inside the video games. We can have thousands of AI, like for Grand Theft Auto, I said before, I think. Imagine this type of technology to applied in a game like Grand Theft Auto with thousands of PNG, with their own personality, own historic, own visual perception, and own perception of the world. This is something crazy. This is something very strong, and this is the future of AI for video games, for me. So this is the end of this video, and have a nice day, everyone.